Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. 80% of your immune system is located in your digestive tract. Yes, the gut health. Today we are going to discuss that. Gut health is the key to overall health. It is the epicenter of your physical and mental health. The gastrointestinal system, also referred to as the gastrointestinal tract, digestive system, or the gut. Inside your gastrointestinal tract are trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These microbiomes differ hugely from person to person depending on your diet, lifestyle, and other factors, and they influence everything from our health to our appetite, weight, and moods. But despite being one of the most researched parts of the body, there is still a long way to go to fully understand our gut. Now, where do my gut microbes come from? Do I just pick them up from my surroundings? Partly yes, but it is more complicated than that. It is still a little bit controversial, but for the most part, it is thought that we are sterile when we are in the utero, and as we are being born, as we emerge through the birth canal from our mother, we get this handover bacteria. It is like a gulp at birth. Those bacteria are really important for starting the whole process. During pregnancy, a mother's microbiome shifts apparently to an optimum mix for offspring. If you are not born by vaginal delivery but are born by cesarean section, things start off being different. Indeed, studies have suggested that these differences could be one of the reasons why babies born by cesarean section have a higher risk of conditions including asthma and type 1 diabetes. Why should we pay attention to our gut health? All food is ultimately broken down in the gut to a simple form that can enter the bloodstream and be delivered as nutrients throughout our bodies. This is only possible with a healthy digestive system. A healthy gut contains healthy bacteria and immune cells that ward off infectious agents like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. A healthy gut also communicates with the brain through nerves and hormones, which helps maintain general health and well-being. Let's take a look at the signs of gut health problems. Everyone at some point experiences digestive problems such as abdominal pain, bloating, loose stools, constipation, heartburn, nausea, or vomiting. When symptoms persist, it may be a sign of an underlying problem that needs medical attention. Weight loss without a good reason, blood in the stool, black stool, severe vomiting, fever, severe stomach aches, trouble swallowing food, pain in the throat or chest when food is swallowed, or jaundice could potentially indicate an underlying gastrointestinal problem with serious consequences. Many facets of modern life, such as high stress levels, too little sleep, eating processed and high sugar foods, and taking antibiotics, can all damage our gut microbiome. This in turn may affect our aspects of our health, such as the brain, heart, immune system, skin, weight, hormone levels, ability to absorb nutrients, and even the development of cancer. There are a number of ways an unhealthy gut might manifest itself, like an upset stomach. Stomach disturbances like gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all be signs of an unhealthy gut. A balanced gut will have less difficulty processing food and eliminating waste. A high sugar diet, a diet that is high in processed foods and added sugars, can decrease the amount of good bacteria in your gut. This imbalance can cause increased sugar cravings, which can damage your gut still further. High amounts of refined sugars, particularly high fructose corn syrup, have been linked to increased inflammation in the body. Inflammation can be the precursor to a number of diseases and even cancers. Unintentional weight weight changes, gaining or losing weight without making changes to your diet or exercise habits may be a sign of an unhealthy gut. An imbalanced gut can impair your body's ability to absorb nutrients, regulate blood sugar, and store fat. Weight loss may be caused by small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, while weight gain may be caused by insulin resistance or the urge to overeat due to decreased nutrient absorption. Sleep disturbances or constant fatigue. An unhealthy gut may contribute to sleep disturbances such as insomnia or poor sleep and therefore lead to chronic fatigue. The majority of the body's serotonin, a hormone that affects mood and sleep, is produced in the gut. So, gut damage can impair your ability to sleep well. Some sleep disturbances have also been linked to risk for fibromyalgia. Skin irritation and skin conditions like eczema may be related to a damaged gut. Inflammation in the gut caused by a poor diet or food allergies may cause increased leaking of certain proteins out into the body, which can in turn irritate the skin and cause conditions such as eczema. An unhealthy gut may increase systemic inflammation and alter the proper functioning of the immune system. This can lead to autoimmune diseases where the body attacks itself rather than harmful invaders. Food tolerances are the result of difficulty digesting certain foods. Food intolerances may be caused by poor quality of bacteria in the gut. This can lead to difficulty digesting the trigger foods and unpleasant symptoms such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and nausea. There is some evidence that food allergies may also be related to gut health. Now, let's focus on things you can do for your gut health. Lower your stress levels, get enough sleep. Not getting enough or sufficient quality of sleep can have serious impacts on your gut health, which can in turn contribute to more sleep issues. Try to prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. Eat slowly. Chewing your food thoroughly and eating your meals more slowly can help promote full digestion and absorption of nutrients. This may help you reduce digestive discomfort and maintain a healthy gut. Staying hydrated is very important. Drinking plenty of water has been shown to have a beneficial effect on the mucosal lining of the intestines as well as on the balance of good bacteria in the gut. Staying hydrated is a simple way to promote healthy gut. Take a prebiotic or probiotic. Adding a prebiotic or probiotic supplement to your diet may be a great way to improve your gut health. Prebiotics provide food meant to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, while probiotics are live good bacteria. People with bacterial overgrowth should not take probiotics. Not all probiotic supplements are of high quality or will actually provide benefit, but it is better to consult your healthcare provider when choosing a probiotic or a prebiotic supplement to ensure the best health benefit. Check for your food intolerance and change your diet. Reducing the amount of processed high sugar and high fat foods that you eat can contribute to better gut health. Additionally, eating plenty of plant-based foods and lean protein can positively impact your gut. A diet high in fiber has shown to contribute tremendously to a healthy gut microbiome. Let's discuss food for gut health. Diet and gut health are very closely linked. Avoiding processed foods, high fat foods, and foods high in refined sugars is extremely important to maintaining a healthy microbiome, as these foods destroy good bacteria and promote growth of damaging bacteria. High fiber foods such as legumes, beans, peas, oats, bananas, berries, asparagus, and leeks have shown a positive impact on gut health. Garlic and onion may have some anti cancer and immune system enhancing properties based on various studies which are closely tied to some of the primary functions of the gut. Eat more fermented foods that have beneficial bacteria. Collagen boosting foods are indeed very good for our gut. Eat, sleep, and be healthy. Eat more whole grains, nuts, load up on veggies, beans, and fresh fruits. Brush and floss your teeth regularly. Dental care is equally important. Eat more dark chocolate and foods with polyphenols. Blend in the spices. It never hurts to scatter on the garlic, turmeric, ginger, and other favorite delicious spices. These spices help to rid your gut of harmful bacteria. They also won't hurt the good bacteria and limit artificial sweetness. That's very important. Let's improve our gut health and overall health. That's for today. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.